I am at Lalbagh Botanical Garden, Bangalore. This is where I started my birdwatching journey. I didn't know head and tail of birds, and this place is one place which taught me a lot of things. It introduced me to a whole new world. I met a lot of amazing people. I've traveled a lot throughout the country, volunteered, started a lot of projects, and I would say that bird watching is one thing which took me places. It helped me travel different places throughout India, outside India, and basically it transformed me a lot as an individual also. So I should I will always remember this place. This is like a really special place for me, very close to my heart. And yeah, today it's 23rd February 2021, and it's a evening. I can just see a few uh, birds which are like almost they're about to go back to the roosting sites. So I couldn't expect a lot, but still, it's a nice evening.